How to fix a Snapchat device ban. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have updated the latest version of Snapchat on your device. For that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone. After going on the Google Play Store on your phone, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Snapchat. After searching for the Snapchat, if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply back it up. And after that, just long press on your Snapchat. Tap on the app info. After tapping on the app info, scroll down. Sometimes it might be on the down section or upper section. For me, it is on the upper section. So I just tap on the first stop and tap on first stop. After you do this, simply go on Storage Uses and clear cache. After doing this, go back and go on the settings of your phone. After tapping on the settings of your phone, on the search bar, just tap for date and time. After tapping for the date and time, disable the automatically say date and time. And now, what you can do is select your own time zone and your city. So I have not added any city right here. So I can just add any city that I want to. After adding any city that I want to and backing it off, my problem is solved. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel.